Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the driver Pavilion 14 driver download. So open any browser and search as it is same to Google search box. So this is officially website for the download driver of HP devices, support.hp.com and driver model. So just right click to open new tab and you have come to this website, and this is BIOS audio driver. Okay, this is your audio. So install one only. Okay, you install this one only. Okay, not install the both. This is not required. This chipset. So guys, first one install, and this is graphic card. So NVIDIA and install this one. Okay, just click to download. I show you how what is installed file to how to run in your system. This is chipset and driver, and this is the driver and network. So LAN, Bluetooth driver, LAN, wireless and local area are available. So and then this is not required. You have just install it only 5 driver: audio, chipset, graphic card, keyboard, mouse, touchpad and network. So I show you how to install it. Okay, just we have to download. So first, this is Bluetooth driver. Simple click to on the download and wait few seconds. It will download it. Click on this file, then click to yes, and then next. I accept the conditions, then again next, and this is installations process. If you have to change, so you can change, click on change and change the part. Okay, then next. Now this is installed. Okay, so all the installations process, this is 100% same. So if you facing some issues when you installing, so please comment, I will support you. Thank you so much.